came in the form of high winds. Natasha, this is what we see in California, the Santa Ana winds, and this is exactly what we had here in Oregon.
Yeah, it's one of the reasons why their power companies actually shut things down. They shut down the power because they know that arcing can take place whenever they get those high winds coming through. And especially when you get those winds coming out of the east, that is a recipe for a completely dry and hot scenario, which is what we've been seeing the last couple of days. Over to TUALATIN earlier today. Very close to those wildfires burning in proximity. This photo comes to us from Nick. Thank you for submitting your picture. A lot of you tonight are wondering and worrying, is that fire going to get closer to me? One of the things that will be working in our favor is the fact that our winds have calmed down considerably. The thing we'll have to monitor here in the next couple of days, in addition to our typical weather conditions, is our air quality. Right now, Ridgefield, 72 degrees. This has been one of the places across Clark County where, for the most part, we've seen pretty good air quality. That could change, though, as we roll into the next couple of days. Over to Seaside, visibility has improved. You have 70 degrees there. It was a hot one today at the coast where temperatures matched our inland valley temperatures because of those downsloping winds. So winds still out of the east, but not as strong. About 5 to 10 miles per hour there. Vancouver, Portland, over to Tillamook. Out of the southeast at about 6 miles per hour, but it's still very dry, relative humidity in the teens, even at this hour. Current air quality towards the south end of the valley in the unhealthy category, moderate category right around Salem up through Portland, Longview, looking at the unhealthy category. Visibility down to about a mile for you, Eugene, down through Roseburg, and all the way to the California border. That's where the worst of it is. Salem now at least 10 miles visibility. So wind direction has changed just a bit for us, which in some cases will help us out, while in others, it's just going to make things worse. So wind will be moving out of the south-southwest as we roll into the next 24 hours. Here we go, Thursday night into Friday. Look at how everything does a complete 180. This represents your wildfire smoke. So areas that were doing pretty good before will instead see that smoke right in our face as we get to the next 24 to 48 hours, coming right up to the north end of the valley, spreading all the way across the Canadian border. As we get to Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, now it's a different story. Winds will be out of the west, southwest. A stronger onshore flow is just what we need. That'll be pushing all that smoke to the east of the Cascades and eventually dissipate. It'll take a while, though. And if we could just get some rain, and it might be arriving for us by the time we get to this coming Monday. There's that ridge of high pressure. That breaks down finally. Then we get to Monday and Tuesday. Here's our next area of low pressure, ushering in some cooler weather and perhaps a little bit of precipitation, something that perhaps we might be able to measure. There it is, showing up in models. This has been fairly consistent. Of course, a lot can change between now and Monday and Tuesday, but we'll keep our fingers crossed for that one. Certainly getting some wetting rains would help out everyone. Now, just remember, temperatures tomorrow will be on the rise. Areas not affected by smoke where you have plenty of sunshine. This is where you're going to be the hottest, possibly up to 95. We roll back those temperatures for the weekend, and then finally next week, along with a chance of rain, we could see temperatures in the mid-70s, closer to normal September weather.
All right, Natasha, thank you.